Government socio-economic development programs and assistance to insurgents have never let up, in spite of this latest act of resistance from the MILF to push back on arms decommissioning and other unilateral programs of the administration. This amidst a firearms ban covering all provinces and localities under the BARM in preparation for the region's first parliamentary polls in October. Our Harley Valbuena fills us in with more.
Gun ban has already been implemented in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao for the first ever BARM parliamentary elections in October. But the Moro Islamic Liberation Front or MILF is not expected to lay down arms, as MILF Chairman Alhaj Murad Ibrahim directed all fronts, commanders, and members not to engage in any decommissioning and other unilateral programs of the national government, alleging their failure to fulfill the support promises for their reintegration. But according to the Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity or OPAPRO, their socio-economic programs for MILF combatants never stopped, where over 26,000 decommissioned combatants benefited, including from the 100,000 pesos transitional cash assistance. Moreover, the amount the government has released since 2019 for socio-economic support on decommissioned MILF combatants already reached 4 billion pesos. The National Anti-Poverty Commission or NAPSI, meanwhile, assured conflict areas, especially in Mindanao, are not left behind in socio-economic programs.
Isang priority area na in-identify ng NAPSI ay yung conflict areas. Itong OPAPRO at DA, NTF, LCAC ay meron silang convergence programs na nakapokus dito sa mga areas na ito.
While also serving as co-chair of sectoral unification, capacity building, empowerment, and mobilization under the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict or NTF-LCAC, NAPSI will push for dialogue across all sectors to promote peace instead of war.
Mas maganda na mag-usap-usap at mapalakas yung pagkakaisa ng mga sektor rather than magkaroon ng digmaan o magkaroon ng rebellion. No? Ang rebellion ay ito natin sa pakikipaglaban sa kahirapan.
OPAPRO explained that the decommissioning program will certainly be halted temporarily due to the BARM election ban, but it insists it remains committed in the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro or CAB. The peace body is also open to talks with MILF leaders to possibly agree on a joint implementation of programs without violating the election ban. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.